So that's a Google document that you're creating on. Some other things that you can do that are kind of cool is a Google Spreadsheet. So here I've taken some data and I just put it in simple data into a format and called it its carbon emissions from fossil fuel consumption by country. And I wanted to look at that over time. So there's something called the Google motion chart. So here I can change the color. I can change the size based on that. And now what I have is that for each one of those circles represents a country and the carbon equivalent in millions of metric tons over a time period. So I took fossil fuel consumption or carbon dioxide emissions for each of the countries from 1980 to 2004. And I thought, well, it'll be interesting to see of specific countries. Here's the United States, here's China, here's Japan, the UK, Poland, Italy, India, Spain, North Korea, Egypt, and said, wonder what that looks like and what type of trends do we see. So I can take some simple data, and then I can click over here, and I can run it. Now watch what happens to the carbon dioxide emissions from China once you reach about the year 2000. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 2000, 2001, boom. Now imagine that's just up to 2004, what it is. So you can look at information like that via doc. Now, with that said, if I go over here and said, well, I want to look at these other smaller countries, I can zoom in. I can now rerun that. And you'll notice, I think, one of these is India. Watch India in the little blue circle on their fossil fuel, or their carbon dioxide emissions from fossil fuel consumption and what happens over that time. You notice that they surpassed many of the countries that are here. And again, now it gives you a unique way to take data sets you didn't have before by simply putting it in there, clicking the motion chart, which is a chart that you can do that, and you can do the same thing. And I can actually publish that then. Because one of the beautiful things about it is I can publish things out to a site, publish things out to the web if I want to make it publicly available.